Join the cabin crawl with us as we visit the presidential suite on the Sky Princess. Suite guests experience priority services and complimentary hors d'oeuvres. The room is over 900 square feet of space. This suite has 2 flat-screen TVs and a very spacious closet. A presidential suite is one of the most luxurious accommodations at sea. There's a separate seating area with a coffee table and a sofa bed for an extra guest. The master suite has a private bathroom with a full tub and a separate shower. It has an extra large balcony with a table and chairs, as well as cushioned loungers. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, why don't you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.